Creating your own DIY bird feeders allows you to add a personal touch to your garden using readily available and often recycled materials. Each homemade bird feeder idea comes with a full set of instructions and clear illustrations and often includes a helpful video tutorial. This ensures you have all the information necessary to start and complete your bird feeder project, regardless of your crafting skill level. 1. Easy glass bottle bird feeder. Turn your old wine bottles into beautiful hanging bird feeders in just a few steps. This easy glass bottle bird feeder will walk you through the entire process of transforming a wine bottle into a stunning bird feeder that gathers more birds into your space. This project is easy to tackle with a drill and a few other supplies you already have in your home. The complete list of supplies includes recycled wine bottles and cork, feeding ports, diamond drill bits, drill press, Gorilla epoxy, glue gun, copper-colored chains, bolts and nuts, gauge copper wire, decorative accents, and needle nose pliers. 2. Creative flower-shaped bird feeder. This handmade creative flower-shaped bird feeder will easily catch birds' attention to sit on the petals and enjoy the food. This great spring decor you can make for your outdoors without breaking the bank. Not only is this project really quick to make, but it also makes a focal point in your backspace. The things you will need to make this one are your tub or a curved plastic tub, a tin can, a threaded rod, and bolts for the threaded rod. 3. Color block window bird feeder designs. This DIY also makes great spring decor in your backyard. You can add the right amount of color you want and see how great the hanging decor will work to provide food to birds. The needed materials are outdoor acrylic paint, a paintbrush, a clear plastic tube, string, precision scissors, a craft knife, a permanent marker, popsicle sticks, washi tape, and bird seeds. 4. Cheap bird feeders using tin can. This is a great way to upcycle your old tin cans and keeps you away from expensive store-made bird feeders. This project makes a focal point in your backyard in just a few minutes. Involve your little ones in this project to enjoy a fun activity. The materials you will need are small paint cans, wooden dowels, finch food, a hummingbird feeder, and food for them. 5. DIY teacup bird feeder. This project would make great sense in your backyard. Aside from just a feeding station for the avian guests, this project will take your garden decor to the next level. With this bird feeder, you can allow the birds to sit for a long time in your space. The items you will need to get are E600 glue, teacup and saucer, jute, and bird seed. 6. DIY bird feeder. From bottle. Because it's a recycled project, you don't need to spend a fortune on the supplies. You can use this as a great handmade gift for your loved ones. The needed items are an empty supplement bottle, a big lid, a drill, a paint color of your choice, twine or rope, a glue gun, wire, and bird seed. 7. Colorful bird feeder. This adorable, springy craft doesn't require any real tools at all, save for glue and paint. And you can customize the colors however you like. This free bird feeder plan only requires some glue, paint, and other elements you can find at a craft store. No tools are needed. 8. Macrame bird feeder. Delia Creates has used some simple macrame knots to create a hanging bird feeder that has a modern feel to it. The bird seed sits in a terracotta plant saucer that's hung from the macrame rope. There's also a wooden dowel and beads to finish it up in style. 9. Plastic dishware bird feeder. This DIY bird feeder might look like it's made of glass, but they're actually decorative dishes made up of plastic. These were purchased from the dollar store, making this a very budget-friendly project. 10. Wine bottle bird feeder. Have an empty wine bottle at home? Turn it into a bird feeder. All you need is some wood, a few tools, the bottle, to make this charming home. There are endless possibilities when it comes to DIY bird feeders, so you can find one that fits your style and budget. Whether you're looking for a simple project that you can do with your kids, or a more elaborate one that will be a showpiece in your yard, there's a DIY bird feeder out there for you.